Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide a chat on Snapchat so nobody can easily see your private conversation. We're not deleting anything, we're simply making it less visible. So first, open your Snapchat app. Now go to your chat section by tapping the chat icon at the bottom. Look for the conversation you want to hide. The trick here is to clear the chat from your feed so it doesn't show unless the person messages again or until you search for them. So press and hold on the person's chat. A menu will pop up. Now tap Chat Settings. Inside Chat Settings, you will see some options. Look for Clear from Chat Feed. Tap that option. Snapchat will ask if you're sure. Tap Clear. That chat will remove itself from your visible chat list. It's not deleted permanently. You just hid it from your main chat feed. Another method inside chat settings that also helps is message notifications. If you want, you can change it to silent or only mention, so new messages don't pop up loud. This way, nobody around you sees message previews. Also, if you want to keep your chat history but you don't want it to stay forever, you can change the chat expiration. Press and hold the chat, choose Chat Settings, then choose Delete Chats, and choose After Viewing or 24 hours. That way, chats automatically disappear quickly, so nobody scrolling through your phone can see long chat history. So those are the simple ways to hide a chat on Snapchat. Clear it from the chat feed, control notification settings, and set chats to delete faster. This makes your Snapchat more private and reduces the chance of someone seeing your conversations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.